Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see my Wi-Fi password in laptop Windows 11. To start, in the search box Entree Control, open the control panel. Here, click on Network and Internet. After, you can click on Network and Sharing Center. In this window, you see the Wi-Fi connection. Click over this. Now click on the Wireless Properties button. After this, go to Security tab. Here, in the Network Security key, you can see the password checking the Show Characters checkbox. After, uncheck this option to hide the key. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.